student. Continue our chapter lesson 9 understanding HTML. So last class we explained history of HTML, describing tags, HTML tags, okay, structure of an HTML document, how to create an HTML document, viewing an HTML document. These all are discussed in last class, okay. Now in this class we discuss in attributes, okay. So first of all, what is attributes? Okay, are you see previous videos HTML? So what is first of all HTML? Hypertext markup language. Okay. So first one is the attributes. An attribute is a property value that modifies an HTML element. Attributes appear inside the opening tag and their value is always inside the question mark. For example, font size equal to 4, color quotation blue and bracket close. Here size and color the attributes of the font tag. Okay, this type of tags will be attributes. So now we discuss in types of elements. Okay, what is that one? Types of element. First of all, container elements. Okay, this tag is used to define a different heading levels in the HTML document. There are 6 heading levels H1 to H6. See, these are all. Okay, move mouse pointer na. So this one you see. And next one is the H1 heading style display the text in the largest size and is used for main heading of the text. Okay, so total 6 levels is there headings. See, like that, keeps publishing world, okay, like that 6 headings style. First one is the H1 heading style display the text in the largest size and is used for main heading the text. Increases to 24 pt font size. The lowest level is the H6. Okay, so this is the different types of headings. And next, it is not essential to use these heading levels in hierarchically. These heading tags are written within a body of the tag of a document. Next, paragraph. So what is the paragraph? See, this is the notepad ma. Open notepad and type here your program, and after that you output is where you see go to start button. In your system Internet Explorer is there, then go to after that file menu, then you click on the what you save the file, example 1.html, like that, then you click that program after running. So like that, this is the program. Any text containing more than a few lines should be given inside the paragraph tag. We use the P tag to display a text in the form of paragraph. Okay, to make the end of a paragraph, comma, okay, each and every tag, what I am telling in previous class, each and every tag open less than symbol, and suppose less than symbol open, and after that HTML tag, and after that greater than symbol close. Okay, like that in every tag also open the tag P and after that close the tag, and after that last end tag, what is the use? Backslash. Okay, you type backslash. Each and every tag must and should be close the tag. Okay, so in this one paragraph, see, a paragraph can be aligned using the attribute named align. Various attributes of a paragraph element are displayed here. See, syntax. For example, this is the syntax. P starts a new paragraph. See here, mouse pointer Muna. See that one. Paragraph align center, and after that see here align the text in center. Okay, like that you enter the P tag. Okay, that means paragraph tag. Align your right. After that you see right. You mouse pointer Muna. So that one you see, and after that left side. Left align the text of the left side. Okay, you write like that, your web page will be displayed like that. For example, see here down example is there now. So like that you observe that one example. So different types of tags. Paragraph tag, what is that one? P start a new paragraph. Okay. P align center, align the text in a center, and P align right, align a text right side. P left, align a text left side. And at the same time, P align justify, align the text from the both left and right margins. Okay. These all are discussed in styles in MS Word. Okay. Left side, Control L, Control R. Okay. Control J, justify. These all are discussed in MS Word. Like that, in your program, okay, what you web page program, so that one you display the left side or right side, okay, center. Total depend on the paragraph tag, okay. So, next, note, align. Align attribute can also be given with heading styles tag, font tag or paragraph tag. So center, the center tag is used to align the text to the center of the page. See, this line will show the center of the page. Okay, see in this picture. See in this file edit view. Okay, these are the Internet Explorer. See what you type, this line will show at the center of the page. The center text type, opening tag before the text, and type end the tag. Each and every tag must and should you end the tag. Okay. And next, closing the tag after the text. Empty elements. Okay. Empty elements means break. This tag breaks the line and display the text, the next line. So, in MS Word, you want to next line, what you do? You press the enter key, okay, and automatically a cursor will be next line move, okay. But in HTML, you write a program, separate program in each and every tag space, okay, and the next line, each and every one you use a some tag. This tag breaks the line and display the text from the next line without giving any space, okay. What is that one? Without giving any space between two lines. Between two lines, it should be given at the end of the line, after which a new line is required. Okay, see what is the syntax? Brace tag, and HR means it is used a separate between the blocks. The HR elements draw the horizontal line across the page. HR means horizontal line. Okay, see these all are the program. Next, in HR tag, type size equal to quotations, question mark. Okay, like you enter the replacing with the thickness you want to apply the size of attribute. That means HR is given value in the term pixel. A pixel is equal to divided into in 72 points. Okay, so syntax, what is that syntax? HR. And next one is the types of elements. What is that one? Types of elements. Font style, stage. Okay. See, the bold tag is used when you want to comprise. Okay, tag before typing the text which you want to display as a bold and type. In our web page, font style is I want bold. So in that time what we do? The tag. See here my first web page heading or great fun. Okay, like that. This is the heading. I want to bold. Okay, in that time I use the B tag. Okay, see. And after the text, keep CYL, syntax B, and after that keep CYL, and after that close, end the brace. Okay, what you observe? It was a bold style, and same at the same time italic also like that only. Okay, important information, italic element is used. These elements marks up the text into the italic style. Typing the text between, okay, /I. Italic means I and /I. After the tag will be changed in the text in italic. See here, italic style, first one is the bold and second one is the italic. Why it should use in I? In shortcut key, what is that one? Italic style. Control plus I is the italic style shortcut key, and Control plus B is the bold italic. Okay, bold. So like that, in HTML we use the like that only. Okay, B, capital B or I, italic. And next one is the underline. In MS Word, what is the shortcut key? MS Word or MS Excel, PowerPoint, anything. Control U is the underline. So like that here, U. Here like I is there na, and after that U. See that one also. This tag underlines the text enclosed in U and close the U tag. Okay. After that what you see here? See, observe your example. A practicing software to consider the your learning. So this one is the underline tag. Okay. So next one is the complete the changing font size and text color, and next one is background. Okay, change font size and text color. See, change font size and text color. So colorful. I want my example, my web page is the colorful. So like that, what we do? Font is a defined. Sorry. See, changing font size, text color and background. It's a colorful background. Okay, I want a colorful background. In that time what we do? Font is defined as a style of writing the text in a document. HTML provides an option to change the font, color, size and style. Okay, these all are will be used. Using this tag we present the text. First of all, font. What is the font? To change the type preface of name of the font face. Okay, element is the font face. Next, type font face equal to double quotes. Okay, and before the text, before the text I want quotations. Press the spacebar key and then type name of the font. Okay, press the, what is that one? Double click before, press the spacebar key and then type the name of the font you want to use and close the quotation. So for example, what we do? Font face equal to copper block and type and close the font. Okay, so see here what you observe. Font face, copper block, type, font, and after that immediately change the font style. It is used to change the font style. See here, you observe font size. Okay, yesterday is gone, tomorrow has not yet come. Okay, these all are the change. You can specify a font size from 1 to 7 places. The smallest font size is 1 and the largest font size is 7. Type font size equal to quotation 3. Okay, and close before the text, and after that you enter the data here. Okay, see here in this program what you observe? See, HTML, head, okay, title, change font size, and here complete. After that title is completed, so title tag is the close, and after that head also close, and after that head complete. After what is that one? Body. So open a body of the tag, and after that center font size equal to 3. I want 3. My font style. The secret of joy in your work is contained in 1. And okay, like that I enter word brace. Okay, equal one word 2. I want a space. So in that time I use a brace tag. BR tag. Okay, font face. Like that. Each and every one. Font open the tag. Font also close the tag. And center open the tag. Center close the tag. Body open a tag. And body close the tag. Finally, what you start HTML tag? You start a HTML tag and finally you close the HTML tag. And that time your program will be completed. Okay, see syntax. Font after change the font size. Change the font size. And next, it is optional. Okay, it is optional. And next one is the color. Font color. What is the font color? See, I want red, blue, green. Okay, like that. before the text replace, and after that within the name colors name here, font name block slash 000 okay. Each and every color must and should you write a RGB value. RGB value means it is a colors value, okay. See, blue slash 4 zeros and double F, okay. Like that you enter this type of numbers, and after that you want to which color, that color name it should be type here. I want suppose green, okay. So in that program I wrote here, what is that one, green slash 00800, okay. Like that I enter the values, okay. And next, olive and purple, okay. Purple slash 80080, and next one is the red slash FF 0000, okay. Like that you enter the type of colors, okay. And next one is, what is that one, it is a one simple program. See, what is that one, attribute of a body elements. What is that one, attribute of a body element, background color, okay. Already we discuss in font style, okay. Now we discuss in background color, okay. Reddish color, it is a very colorful background now. In body tag, the bg color replacing. So in previous one box is there now, each and every color one number is there, okay. Like you enter here, see this one, body bg color equal to red, okay. Like that. And next one is the completed and exercise. Select the correct option to fill in the blanks. Exercise true or false, and multiple choice questions, online links, okay. These all are will be there. Lesson will be completed, okay. So I send you notes in WhatsApp group, okay ma. And next one is, okay, HTML lesson is completed. Thank you. So write the notes and textbook also, and send you a WhatsApp group, okay. Thank you.